Welcome back to our second period. First periods we have learned about the perimeter, right? For this second period we are going to learn about area. What is area? What is the meaning and definition of area? Area is a space. Area is a space bounded by a closed figure. Area is a space bounded by a closed figure. How much space this figure occupy? That is called area of this figure. Do you understand? No? The space, availability of the space. Okay. Now let us go to directly to the exercise. Here we are going to learn about which one? Area of rectangle. Length, breadth. Perimeter of the rectangle we already learned, adding all the sides, that is called perimeter, right? Area is length into breadth. One length, any length, one length and one breadth, if you multiply, you will get one number, that is called. Always it should be unit square or unit square. What is the meaning? Suppose this is centimeter, on the top if we put 2, it is not 2 centimeter, we cannot call it centimeter 2, okay? We call it centimeter square. Understood? Or if you want, you can write also centimeter square. But usually we do on the top, okay? So area of the rectangle is on length into breadth. Now area of the which one? Square, that is side into side. All the sides are equal. Add, multiply any two sides. So you will get one number, that is area of the which one? Square. Now I think we can do it. We will go to the which one. So you keep in your mind these formulas and we will do it. Let us go to question time 3. Question time 3. What is the question time 3 tells? Read the questions. Find the area of each of the following rectangles whose dimensions are given below. Length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter. Length equal to 15 centimeter, breadth equal to how many? 12 centimeter. Okay. Now how to find the area? Area of the rectangle. What is area of the rectangle formula? Length into breadth. Length into breadth, that is 15 centimeter into 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. You have to multiply these two. I am sure you have to multiply separately. You have to, in your rough calculation, write 15 into 12. Multiply. 2 5s are 10, 1 remainder. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 1s are, sorry, 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1. How much? 180 centimeter, centimeter square. Unit is very important. If you don't write centimeter square, only if you write centimeter, your answer is wrong, okay? Okay. So that's one question enough, the remaining you have to manage by yourself. Now let us go to question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 tells, find the area of each of the following squares whose side is given. Side equal to how much? 20 centimeter. Or let us go to the second question, B. How much? 15 centimeter. Now area of the square. See, what is the area of the square formula? Side into side we already have, right? Side is how much? 15. 15 centimeter into 15 centimeter. Multiply. 5 5 how much? 25. How much remainder? 2. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2 how much? 7. Next. 1 5 5. 1 into 1, 1. 7 plus 5 how much? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much remainder? 1 remainder. 1 plus 1, 2. 225 centimeter again square. Centimeter square. Okay. Write first. Now let us go to question number 3. Read a question with me, all of you. The floor of a room is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Find the area of carpet required to cover the floor. All of your house, these days tiles are coming. Some years back there was no tiles, only the carpet, the plastic carpet they keep, right? I am sure some of your houses still the rooms are not by tiles, the floor is made up of plastic carpet, yes or no? So now you want to cover your room, the room floor by carpet. You want to buy, this is a practical value questions, okay? Practical day to day life, it is very important. You went to the market or shop to buy a carpet. Now the shopkeeper asking, how much carpet you needed? I do not know. My room is like this, like that, you know. I am going to put a carpet. Like this, like that. But how much length, how much? Actually, I do not know. Suppose if you say, then that shopkeeper, they may give more amount of carpet. You brought and fixed nicely and still plenty of carpet is left. Or the shopkeeper might have given less amount of carpet. Then when you brought only 1/4 of or 3/4 of your room is covered by a carpet. Some more area, no carpet available. Possible. So in order to avoid, how much amount of carpet is needed for you to cover your floor? That problem will be solved by doing these questions. Okay? Read the question, all of you with me. The floor of a room is 5 meter long, length is given. Length is how much? 5 meter. The length of the room is how much? 5 meter long. And breadth is how much given? 4 meter. Now you are going to put up carpet, right? So area of the required carpet. Area of the required carpet is nothing but area of your floor. What is the area of a side? Length and breadth given. That means your room is what shape? Rectangular shape. Yes or no? So what is the area of the rectangle formula? Yes, 2 Sorry. What is the area of the rectangular formula? Length into breadth. So now, what is the length? Length is how much? 5 meter. Breadth is how much? 4 meter. So 5 into 4 how much? 20 meters square. So you need a carpet to cover your floor. How much area of the carpet is needed? 20 meters square area of the carpet is needed to cover your floor. Okay children, right all of you? After that we will go to the next questions. Now question number 4. Question number 4 tells a square plot of land has side 100 feet. Calculate the cost of the plot at rupees 50 per square foot. There is a land. The side of the land is, what is this shape? Square shape. Means the land is what shape? Square shaped. So what is the side of the square shape? Side is equal to how much? 100 feet. Side is equal to how much? 100 feet. Meaning of this symbol is called which one? Feet. Okay, FT means what? Feet, 100 feet. First you have to find out to know the how much amount of money is needed, you should know the area of the land. It's equal to square shaped. So it is side into side. That is how much? 100 feet into 100 feet. Children, I am going to explain to you easy way of multiplying. You need not to multiply 100 into 100. You do like this 0, 0, 0, then 0, 0, 0, 0, then 0, 0, then 0, 0, then how much 1. There is a lot of calculations, right? No need wastage of time. No need. I will teach you easy method. Listen. If first number is 1, the rest all zeros. Again first number is 1, the rest all zeros. So 1 into 1, 1 only. Right? The remaining how many zeros are there all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Add 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish your answer. No need of multiplying 0, 0, 0, all those things, right? So how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one? Square feet. Square feet. Now cost. Calculate the cost of plot. Per square feet, look at the question, per square feet rupees 50. How many square feet we have? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 10,000 square feet. So multiply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. 1 into 5, 5. Your answer is over. So this is your answer. Okay, children? Write all of you. After that, we will go to the next questions. Let us go to question number 7. Slightly different. A room has 6 meter long and 5 meter wide. Calculate the cost of flooring the room at rupees 150 per square meter. Length of the room is given 6 meter. Breadth of the room also given. How much? What is the breadth of the room? 5 meter. Okay. Now we are going to calculate the cost of flooring. You are going to make the floor nicely, maybe tiles, or I do not know what you are going to do. For making your floor, you are paying rupees 150. So that means you have to find the area of the floor. Area of the floor. How much? That is length into breadth, right? Rectangular field. How much? 6 meter into 5 meter. How much? 6 5 is 30 meters square. So this is a area of your room floor. Now we are going to make your floor maybe tiles. Which one? Cost of flooring. Per square feet, how much? Square meter, how much? Rupees 150. Rupees 150. How many? 30 meters square, right? How much will be there? Multiply. 0, 2 zeros is there, right, as it is. Next multiply. 3 into 5, 15. 1 remainder, 3 1s 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Rupees 4,500. Rupees 4,500 rupees needed to make your, okay? Okay, next. Time is almost going to be over, but I want to do one more question. Let us go to question number 9. A rectangular garden is 8 meter long and 4 meter wide. A rectangular garden length is given. Length is given how many? 8 meter. Breadth is given how many? Breadth is given how many? 4 meter. Okay. Now another square park has side 9 meter. Your question is, are they equal in area? Are their perimeter is same? Square has how many? Side how many? 9 meter. Now our question is whether this rectangle and square has equal in area or not. Let us go for area. Area of the rectangle. Which one? L into B, that is 8 meter into 4 meter. 8 into 4 how much? 8 4s are yes 32 meters square. Okay. Now let us go for square. Area of the square. What is? Side into side. Yes or no? That is 9 meter into 9 meter. 9 9s are 81 meters square. Are they equal in area or not? Your answer is no. Question is, they are equal in area or not? So they are not equal in area. Next is perimeter. Time is very less. Let us go for perimeter. Perimeter of the rectangle. What is the perimeter of the rectangle formula? 2 length plus breadth, right? 2. What is the length? 8 meter. Breadth is how much? 4 meter. 2 into 8 plus 4 how much? 12 meter. 2 into 12 how much? 24 meter. Yes or no? So that is the perimeter of the rectangle. Let us go to perimeter of the square. What is the perimeter of the square formula? Yes, 4 into side. 4 into side how much? Perimeter side 9. How much? 9 4s are 36 meter. Perimeter of the rectangle is 24 meter. Perimeter of the square is how much? 36 meter. Again, your answer is which one? No. Okay, children? Okay. So this question is little bit tricky. So you have to be very careful. See, length and breadth, one rectangle, one square given. Okay. Rectangle, length of the rectangle is 8 meters. Breadth of the rectangle is 4 meter. Side of the square is how much? 9 meter. Now our question is length of the rectangle and length, the perimeter, area of the rectangle and area of the square is same or not? That is our question. What is the area of the rectangle formula? Length into breadth. That is 8 meter into 4 meter. 8 4s are 32 meter square. Suppose if you go for square, then area of the square is how much? Side into side. 9 meter into 9. 9 9s are 81 meter square. Both are not equal, right? Now let us go for perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle how much? 2 into L plus B. 2, 8 plus 4. 2, 8 plus 4 how much? 12 meter. 2 into 12 how much? 24 meter. Now if you go for perimeter of the square, that is 4 into side. 4 into side, 9 meter. 4 9s are 36 meter. Again they are not matching, not equal. Okay children, already I have taken 3 minutes, 4 minutes extra. We will meet again next period. Till then, see you.